First, let's quickly define TikTok. TikTok is a social media platform focused on short video content. Users create and share videos, often set to music. It's famous for trends, challenges, and creative expression. Now, let's walk through the steps to get started with TikTok. First, download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Install it on your device. Once installed, open TikTok and sign up. You can use your email, phone number, or social media accounts. Next, explore TikTok's interface. The main page is the For You page. Here, you'll see trending content tailored to your interests. Swipe up to find more videos. The Discover tab helps you search for hashtags and users. The plus icon allows you to create your content. Creating a video is exciting. Tap the plus icon and choose your settings. Select your video duration, 15 seconds, 60 seconds, or 3 minutes. Choose a sound by tapping sounds at the top. It's time to record. Press and hold the red button to capture video. You can also upload videos from your gallery. Now, add effects if you want, like filters or text. TikTok offers various options for creativity. Once satisfied, click Next to edit captions. Remember to add hashtags. This boosts your video's visibility. Let's consider an example. Suppose you love cooking. You could create a 30-second recipe video. Start with an enticing intro, show ingredients, and wrap up with the final dish. Add popular cooking hashtags to reach more viewers. In summary, TikTok allows anyone to create short, fun videos. Download the app, explore its features, and let your creativity shine. Remember to engage with other users and enjoy the process. Ready to create your first TikTok video? Dive in today. Start experimenting with trends and show your creativity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.